Good day, viewers. Welcome back to Coach Party Review Shadow Blade.
Frank here.
So, where do I go?
I don't read those posters.
What?
Big brother,
What's up, Yuka?
I need to go pee.
What? What? You mean like now? Here?
But I can hold it in. I can hold it in. Want me to go with her?
No, I'm worried about her. I'll go.
Really, I don't mind, you know. Thank you, big brother.
Jeez, how old are you again?
But I'm scared.
Make it quick.
Okay, wait here. You don't need to go.
Just hurry up, Yuka.
I'm gonna tell mommy you're bullying me.
Why you?
In the bloody halls of music and dance lies a family who lost their chance. The mother longs for her engulfed child. The father is his bones dripping with bile. Bloody halls. I wonder where that could be. Why is the lights out?
Uh-oh.
Spirits.
Yuka, are you done yet?
Don't tell me.
Where is she? Is this one right? Hello? I mean, Yuka? Hello? You there? Answer me! Yuka, come on, say something, please!
Gee, you firm?
Huh? Jeez, if you were there, say something. Made me think something happened, you know?
But... Splash.
Huh?
Uh-oh. Huh? Big brother, help!
Yuka, what's wrong?
The water! Water is flowing out of the toilet as blood! It won't stop! It keeps flowing and flowing!
Get out of there, quick!
I can open the door, big brother! Big brother!
Hold on!
Yeah!
That scream, was that Naomi's?
Big brother, it won't stop! I'm gonna drown! Help!
Yuka, are you okay? Yuka! This damn door! Yuka, I'm gonna force this door open! Take this! You goddamn... Door!
Door!
I'm trying! What? Gah!
And why are you kicking it? What did the door ever do to you?
What the hell is going on?
She's dead meat, that girl, and it will be most painful.
Yuka! Open the door, damn you!
I don't think I will, but if you'd like, I won't stop you from leaving. Most deeply pointless. No matter how many times you kick, scream, and cry, the door will only open for me.
Please, please, open the door, I beg of you!
No.
Please, I'll do anything!
Even die?
What?
If you die instead of her, I'll let her go free.
Yes, I'll do it. If there's no other way to save her, then I'll lay down on my own life for hers. So please, keep your end of the bargain. Save her.
Pathetic, how boring. What transparent whitewashed stripe. Everyone is looking out for number one. You want me to believe you really such a saint? Pretend she wasn't here. Would you still die for her?
You twisted bee. That's my sister. Get out of my way! Yuka, hang on! Take this! Take it easy, I mean. Oh. Wait. Wait. What? Where did she go?
She disappeared. It's like you push her out of the way.
How can I even push a ghost?
I don't know.
Is it possible to push a ghost?
I don't know.
Are you okay? Wait, how's Naomi? How's Naomi?
I don't know.
I think I want to believe she's okay. Yuka.
Big brother. Wah. Big brother, big brother.
Hey now, I said would be fine from the start, didn't I?
I'm sick of this place. I wanna go home.
Me too. Yuka, we should hurry.
Huh?
I heard Naomi scream earlier.
Where is she? Oh, there she is. How'd she get there?
I don't know. Naomi, hey! Naomi, wake up! Is Yuka just sitting down?
Yeah.
Uh,
Satoshi.
What happened to you?
Nothing. I was suddenly surrounded by spirits and...
Spirits, did they do something to you?
No, they told me that they were just like us, forced down here against their will. They told me that a spirit was calling people down here at random, as if searching for something.
Something like what?
I don't know, but I suddenly heard a strange girl's voice. After that, everything went blank.
A girl's voice. She was wearing red?
Sorry, I can't remember, but what makes you say that?
Because she attacked Yuka, the laboratory earlier.
Seriously? Isn't that blood, Yuka? What happened? Oh, I don't...
Don't worry. The blood's not hers. Yuka, are you tired? Do you want to rest a little?
Oh, thanks, big brother. But I'm alright. I can keep going. What's going on, Yuka? Your face is bright red.
Hey! What's with her?
Geez, her face is all red. Well, we should get back to searching for an exit. I don't know what that girl in red wants, but it has nothing to do with us.
Right, let's get moving. I wonder if everyone's alright.
You mean the other two?
Yep.
What is that?
Inside the crack of the floor. Take it.
What's that?
A lever. It may come in handy. Let's keep it.
Iron lever. Some sort of switch.
Yeah, kinda like it. So where am I gonna use this?
Can you hit someone with that? By touching oh, they already say that for touching the pentagram it switches to the other side.
We're gonna use the the iron lever. I wish I know where to use it. That would be. Oh, this way. Am I gonna give it to the two?
I don't think you need to give it to those two.
Oh, that didn't work.
Oh well, back to the search part.
I don't even know where this lever go. It's gotta be somewhere. Wait, what? The hallway expanded. When did that happen? I didn't even switch character.
I don't know.
I was just walking around.
Oh, that was a surprise?
Well, keep moving on.
What the?
You can.
Advice and fresh blood. I can see a crack in the wall. Is the iron lever?
Yeah. Wait, what
Quite
happened to,
silent.
what happened to the sound? This isn't good, isn't it?
Yeah, why is that blood rushing like water?
We'll be fine. You don't need to worry about anything. Hey, Spirit, can you tell me anything? It didn't.
I didn't say anything.
Oh,
Oh, you can't get through there!
I can't. Am I gonna use this way over here? Is there a way over here?
I don't know if there's a way.
I don't know. There's a way either. There's gotta be something. There's gotta be something, right? Wait, there's a door here. What's inside here? Huh? A bone.
Take care. A single error may kill someone.
Single error.
What are those?
A
The female
statue.
statue. Sylvia, like something goes in her hand. The male statue, it seems like something goes in his hand.
Well, I don't have any of those. So how am I gonna do this? I mean, am I gonna find a way over here or something? Is it? I don't know what to do. I mean, I can make it to the piano. If I don't know what to do, I'm gonna switch to the other two members. I mean, they didn't move an inch.
Well, to be precise, no progress was made for those two yet.
Yeah, no progress yet. So we have to make some progress. Maybe that's why there's a pentagram here.
I suppose so.
And then?
Can't go that way.
That's 2-9. That's 2-9.
Guess you can't really go through there.
Maybe I can't yet. Do you have some kind of weapon?
Longboard and flesh shoes.
Hey, does something smell kind of raw?
I think it's blood. It's making me sick. That must be it. Unless you don't want to interact with that.
Yeah, I'd rather not interact with that. Should I interact with it?
No, don't.
Got a bad feeling something will happen to me if I interact with that. You got a long board. What am I gonna do with a long board?
Okay, you put it there.
I'm trying. I think I'm gonna put it here. Why does it keep saying it? Do I have to really go there?
I don't know. Oh, that's where the beginning.
I think we have to go there. Yeah, I think we have to go there. There's not... A thick splash of blood is stuck on the window.
Huh?
Hey, it's the red-haired girl.
Huh?
That was there a that wasn't there a second, right?
Oh, great.
I'm not going there. Get a bad feeling.
I get chilly feeling that's gonna be a bad idea if you enter there.
Yeah, I got a bad feeling also.
You really can't enter there yet.
From a distance, I can see some stairs heading down to the south wing. Yeah, use the longboard to get over there. Finally making some progress. What's this?
Oh, you go up.
Wait, can I bring? Yeah, I can take it with me.
Take the board.
What?
The longboard suddenly shattered.
Wait, what? 2-9.
2-9.
What? There was 2-9 there.
Doors have to open. 2-9. Oh, was there a skeleton there before?
Fast I remember, no. What? What the hell?
That definitely wasn't there before.
2-9. No, wait. Isn't this?
Classroom 1-2? Two nine written.
What happened if I talk to that?
Human bone lay on the hazard pile from the hair. It appears to be schoolgirls.
So what is 2-9?
Is it supposed to be your classroom or something? I'll wish you away somewhere else. Where did it take you?
Back here.
Oh, great.
No, wait.
What is it?
Maybe that's gonna be it. I think I figured it out. 2-9. That class is 2-9.
Yeah, it's 2-9.
No good, we can't get in.
What was that bloody 2-9 about earlier?
Maybe it's mean this class. I don't know. What? Shinozaki, are you okay? What's going on?
Huh? It's bright.
So bright. Oh,
Hey, is this your classroom?
we're back. This is
Our classroom. It is our classroom.
for real? How?
Seriously, look, my desk.
You're right. Is what I want to say, but
Yay, we finally made it back. I'm so relieved.
I wonder how Satoshi and Ko are doing. A pentagram?
You go to the other classroom. Oh, you can. Seems classroom's empty. Can't go in there. And then
We're still trapped here.
yeah.
Was that Shinozaki just now? Okay, we'll continue this in the next part of the video. We're out of time for today. So that's all of in this part. And in the next part, we'll go into the classroom because Shinozaki just screamed. But we'll figure out what happened next part.
Yeah.
So that's all. So, Shelby, don't forget the next part of the video. Goodbye.
See ya.